what's going to happen, if we tie the rope on higher up, right, and I try and chop it, then the rope is going to be in the way of the cut, and obviously I'll cut through the rope, so I can't do that. So what I'm going to do, nice and this is the tree, right, up in the tree, what I'm going to do, I'll cut it, right, inside the music, yeah, you impressed? Right, and then when it goes, it'll fall down to about there, then I'll tie it on round here, right? I'll reach there, right? And then I'll pick up here, that's actually there, and then it'll go,
It'll do what?
It'll go, and that's when you've got to flip it. Okay, so, you got that?
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Oh God, excellent.
1,000 houses burning down. Nobody's gonna save this town. Too late, I already
Yeah, but it's got a winch on it, so it's right, it went the other way. To be honest, it's about to be really sorry. Oh, worry. Yeah, me, so I don't like it down again.
I was caught in your net. You would never hear me sing. You wouldn't let me begin.
Good.
So I'm
That was tough. That was tough.
'cause
That was perfect.
No, I will not forget you. Too late, I already found what I was looking for.
Ready?
That's huge.
That is fucking huge.
It's time to burn.
Go! God! Yeah.